Hello traders, welcome back to your FXCM YouTube channel. My name is David Londoño. I'm a trader and also do market analysis. Today we're going to be talking about the MACD indicator once again, but this time we're going to be immersed on how to use it on sideways markets. Before I continue, I recommend you to check our MACD video. There we explain how it works. Giving just a brief explanation here, we want to check the crosses between the MACD line and the signal line, which is the blue one. So where the crosses happens, that's where we have our signals of buying or in this case selling. Another thing, since we're gonna be concentrating on the sideways market, I will recommend you to check the Tokyo session, which is the one that tends to be less volatile. So we tend to see more sideways market over there. The accumulation, something very regular on the Tokyo session. That's why I will recommend you to check that specific one. And as I was telling you, I want you to be chasing the liquidity, which is on the relative equal highs, relative equal lows, other high, other lows. But this time, I want you to be concentrating on the fair value gaps, because on a sideways market, we are not sure that we're gonna be taking the lower low or the higher high that period of time, but we know that the price will tend to rebalance those gaps. So, for example, when we see the crosses right there, right here, we see selling prices, we're going to be chasing. Every time we see the crosses, we're going to be, of course, taking decision if it's good position or not in order to rebalance prices. For example, here we tend to have selling. So if we want to sell on these signals, what are we going to be attacking? We're going to be attacking fair value gaps that we want the price to rebalance. And when we have the buying signals, we also want to be chasing what? The prices. We want the price to rebalance again and again and again until we capture liquidity. Then it's more common to happen that the price has decided where to go, which direction to take. This case, a bearish movement. So let's check this on another day. Our example right here. Again, we're going to be chasing the prices that we want to balance. So we are the trend market. In the Tokyo session, we receive the selling signal, and then, well, where do we have a price to be rebalanced? Right there. It will be selling there until here. Also, since we are on a trending market, this is going to be open, close, trades that will be open and close very fast. Again, we receive the signal, the buying signal, where until the fair value gap is about to be rebalanced. Once we take liquidity, then the price has decided where to go. Capture liquidity right there. So now we know that the price has already made a decision and this strategy won't work further. So that's something very important for you to understand. In my personal trading, I don't use this strategy specifically just because I don't trade sideways markets, even though it's very powerful and it will help you in your own strategy you are used to trade this kind of markets. Well, that will be all for this one. I hope you enjoy it and this helps you. If you like, don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next trading session.